Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we off aeroplane mode in our Poco phone guys. You want to off your aeroplane mode in your Poco phone, so how can we off today? I will show you. How can you off guys this aeroplane mode icon on your screen? Today I will show you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like my video guys. So we will on our phone setting to turn off aeroplane mode setting. Then I scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So when we will click on this connection and sharing option setting is tap here. As you can see guys, your aeroplane mode setting is you can off from this right side. Tap here, then guys your aeroplane mode will off in your Poco phone guys. You can use your phone calls and mobile data setting guys. So like that guys, you can off, and guys you can off your aeroplane mode icon on your screen. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.